Welcome back. Now the next tab down on the far left side menu is going to be your Campaigns tab. We're going to go into that tab. And this is where you are going to be able to create and send messaging to your contacts within your audience. So you're going to start the process by clicking Create Campaign. Now Mailchimp has a number of options available for you to start this process. For example, if you just want to start with messaging, you can click on Email, and that's typically where you're going to be working within this tab. You can also map out an entire customer journey, and this is going to take more than one message and is more integrated. You can integrate and design your own email template so that when your contacts get your email, they will get a branded appearance. And you're going to see a number of integrations in this tab. Basically, what you want to start by doing in order to message the individuals that are part of your audience is to click this tab. What you're then going to do is you're going to give this email campaign a specific name. You're then going to click Begin. Now when you come into the screen, you'll notice that this is going to be a draft email form. And what you can do here is you can stop the process at any time in order to finish your email later. We're going to start this process by adding specific recipients. And it's from this point that we can add in a specific audience. Now, when we operate in this manner, what we can do is we can use specific tags within that campaign. This means then that only the individuals that have this specific tag will be sent an email when we write this message. Now, one thing that we can do is to personalize the To tab. So for example, what we can do here is click this area. So what we can do here is we can add in a specific tag and we can say we want this to be to the individual's first name, or to their last name, or to their first name and last name. Or we can customize the merge tag. We're going to leave this as first name. Once we've completed our To section, we can then click Save. We'll then move on to the From section. And typically, this is going to be based on the email addresses that you have associated with this specific account. We're going to click on Edit Form, and we can use a specific name and a specific email address for individuals to reply to. So what we're going to do right now is stop the video here, and we're going to pick it up from writing the subject. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.